கருணாகர சூரீந்திர குருவர்ய பதாம்புஜாம் நவநீதநட்டோத்தம்சாம் குருபங்கி ஸ்ரீயன்னுமஹா. Tirupavai, a treasure house of threes, Pasuram 24. This Pasuram talks about how Andal hails three different aspects of Lord Krishna. Andal and her friends requested Lord Krishna to come and occupy the royal throne so that he could be seated there and listen to their pleas. The Lord is very impressed with the words of these girls and starts walking towards his throne. As he does this, Andal starts singing the praises of the Lord. This is very natural to Andal, who is the daughter of Periyalvar, who would always care for the Lord and sing his praises. Singing the praise of the Lord is termed as Potri Padudal in Tamil. So, in this Pasuram, Andal sings the potri or praise of the Lord. She uses the phrase potri 6 times in this Pasuram. While doing so, in the first 4 lines, Andal sings the praise of the Lord's holy feet. In the 5th line, she sings the praise of the Lord's qualities. And in the 6th line, she sings the praise of the Lord's divine weapons. Let us see how. Andal starts this verse with Andru Vulaga Madandayadi Potri. Let us sing the praise of the holy feet of that Lord who came as Trivikrama and measured the 3 worlds with these lotus-like feet. Secondly, Sendrangu Tennilangai Shatrai Tiral Potri. Let us sing the praise of that Lord Rama who walked all the way from Ayodhya to Lanka and gained victory over the evil. Thirdly, Pondra Chagadam Udaitai Pugal Potri. Let's all sing the praise of baby Krishna's holy feet which destroyed the card demon Shakatasura. Further, Kandru Kunilai Yerindai Kadal Potri. Let us sing the praise of the holy feet of that Lord Krishna who pressed his feet on the ground to aim at 2 demon trees with a demon calf, thus putting an end to all the 3 asuras at one time. Thus, Andal sings the praise of the Lord's feet in 4 different forms in these 4 lines. In the 5th line, Andal talks about the incident of Govardhanodharana or lifting up the Govardhana mountain to guard all people of Vrindavan from the thunderous storm and rain which was created by Indra. Andal says, Kundru Kodayai Edithai Gunam Potri. By lifting the Govardhana hill, the Lord showed his guna or quality. Which quality was shown here? It is said by commentators that the Lord displayed the best of his gunas, that is, Saushilya or being easily approachable to one and all. It is said that the Gopas had complete faith in Krishna that he would guard them against all kinds of evil. So they did not really bother about the destructive thunderous rain, and for the trust that these people had on Krishna, he held the Govardhana mountain for 7 days and nights on his little finger, thus showing that he was indeed available to one and all at all times. This is the exhibit of his guna or quality. In the 6th line, Andal sings the praise of the Lord's divine weapon, Vel. Vendru pagai kedukkum nin kaiyil vel potri. It is said that the Lord uses his divine weapons to destroy all kinds of evil forces. And as a representative, the veil is mentioned here, which is one of the 16 ayudhas or weapons of Lord Narayana. Thus, in this Pasuram, 3 different aspects have been hailed by Andal, namely the Lord's holy feet, the Lord's holy qualities, and the Lord's holy weapons. Andal Tiruvadigalé Sharanam.